know what this box means? It's Stitch Fix Day. Ah! So, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I will link my very first unboxing somewhere. Right here? I think that's where. But I'll link that for you. It's a subscription service of clothes. It is my favorite subscription box that I get. By the way, I did a video recording marathon today. This is my last one. And I started editing some of the videos. And this background has got to go. It's got to go. I don't like it. But that's not the point of this video. Let's open this box. Just keep watching. I am so excited. It is literally like, it's like Christmas morning. Like, I imagine this is what I felt like as a kid running into the living room to see what Santa had left me. That's how excited I get over my Stitch Fix boxes. Oh, alright. So, let's open an envelope. Now, I told them for this box, I wanted cute casual. And I even said, not lay around the house casual, but going out and running errands, but still want to look cute. That's literally the verbiage I used. So, this is how much everything costs. I'm not going to look at that just yet. Let's see the note to see what she says. Greetings, Autumn. I'm glad you were able to find some looks to love in your last fix. I sure did. This time I focused even more on the spring season, filling your fix with light colors, airy fabrics, and floral prints. You asked for some comfy casual wear you could dress up for a day out and about, so let's begin with the casual. Oh, I don't know what we're beginning with. So, here we go. I already see a print that I'm not going to love, but you never know. Okay, our first, what the hell? I don't love it. Let's see how much it is. June and Hudson. $44. This just isn't me. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh my gosh. This is soft. It's a shirt. Love this either. French gray. 48. Don't love it. Alright, let's check this shirt out. Now this is cute. Look at the back, has the buttons. It's got the brown detailing on the elbow. This I could see myself wearing. Pink clover, $42. Okay. I like this. I like that. And we got a pair of jeans. Destroyed denim, which I love. Very stretchy. The price is $59. So can you tell I'm disappointed? And then they sent me this backpack. I don't do backpacks, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks dirty. I would never, no. I don't do backpacks. So if I keep everything, can y'all see my disappointment? This is the first time I've really, none of this is me. The jeans, yes. The gray top, yes. Okay, so if we keep everything, it's $145.25. If we keep the jeans, that's $60. And the gray shirt is $42. So our total would be, if we kept those two pieces, our total would be $80. So, I don't know. I need to try everything on. Guys, I've yet to buy a mirror that I can do a try on. I know, I'm so sorry. I just don't like this fix. None of this is my style except for maybe the jeans, yeah, but I may just keep the jeans. But then that's $40 for a pair of jeans. So, there's that. Alright guys, that was my Stitch Fix. Definitely the most, I don't know what my stylist was thinking with that pink and white stripe. Like, I've never indicated anything that would remotely let them to believe that that is my style. And the shirt, the t-shirt with the flowers, it's just this bag, this Stitch Fix is not me. I think every fix I've received prior to this one felt very personalized, like it was my style. It may have had one or two things that wasn't quite me, but overall they always hit my style. But this one didn't, and that's disappointing. But you know, this is my third box, and it's the first one that I've really been disappointed in. So I can't say too much, I guess, because they have nailed it every time before. I'll link those two videos in this one, so you can see how they nailed it before. But this one just, I don't know. I don't know what I'll keep. I may just keep the French gray shirt. And it would cost me $28. Because I like the jeans, but to just keep, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Alright, that was my fix. I will update it later in the description bar to let you know what I decide to keep. Because I'm going to try everything on, but no. Not loving it, Stitch Fix. Alright, have a great day, my loves.